What up, what up, what up? Ain't no problem. Go ahead and get this thing knocked out, man.
Let me know when it's done. I'll come and scoop it for me.
Alright, bet. Try to beat this rain.
Yeah, just let me know if you need anything.
Alright, man.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's get this show on the road. It's gonna be a quick one though. Thank God. Well, for the shocks anyway, but I gotta get through the water outlet gasket on it. That's a little bit more work, but it ain't too bad. We got a key. Please let it be in here. There we go. There we go. We got the strut. We got these. Ooh, them busted too though. CV axles busted. I told him about this. I do believe. That's why I told him he needs some shocks on it. But let's get this thing started. Alright, we got 3 bolts up top. Easy peasy. So this here comes out. It's in the spindle. Got this set up like a damn BMW. Alright. Get this sway bar link out. Right, up, and away. Alright, that's out. Alright, we're gonna get this brake line away from it. Then we got a bolt behind here that's holding it in. Alright, we're gonna get back here, this bolt right here. That's the bolt I was talking about right there. We need to remove and get this clip out so we can get the brake line out. Boom. Alright, we got that out the way. Easy peasy. Now we're gonna hit this bolt. Alright, just like that. That's a 17 mil. And all we got to do now is just basically tap this out of the position, and that's fairly easy. We just use a hammer. Now you can put some WD-40 on it, but I don't think we're gonna need it. I'm gonna turn the wheel straight. We almost out. Alright, just like that. I got fall right out. Shock ready to come out, baby. 14. One bolt. 2 bolt. 3 bolt. course. Fall right out. You can catch it or whatever, but I knew this wasn't gonna do no damage, man. That's it right there. So this thing got a lot of bounce, extra bounce, too much bounce, bounce for the ounce. This right here is broke. Look, that's the CV axle. So that was another issue. But hey, man, we're here for. Make sure that thing don't fall out of there. Alright, we're here for shocks only, so that's what we're doing. As you can see, we need tie rod, sway bar links. They busted. These right here cause a lot of vibration and shit. I already know the tie rods need to be done. Pretty sure them ball joints, yep, they busted too. So hey, it's an old car, 2008. You can expect that. All right, let's see. I don't think that's the right side. Let's see this one. All right, that looks like it right there. Lining up. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're going in. We're going in. We're going in. Going in. Got little washers on this motherfucker. Need to grease all of this up so that guy can go in nice and smooth. Boom. Line that up back here so it'll go on the slide. Just want to get it in just slightly. Now I'm gonna use the jack to push it in place. I think it's lined up now. So I'm gonna put these bolts in here just to hold it on. We got rain. I ain't gonna stop though. I think that'll line right up. Alright, that's it. We flush. Bolt going back in. Just like that, we got the shock in place. All right. Alright, just like that, we in there. I'm gonna hit the passenger side. Alright, same routine. I'm gonna go ahead and go through this real quick. Alright, we done with the shocks. And the range is finally finished. Now we can start on this damn gasket.